Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's Emanes here and I'm here with another video on this project right here, Dotchain. This project is so much like Pi that I just love it. They are going to be launching their mainnet very soon. Actually, it's supposed to be this year. The mining has been going on for like since 2022, but I actually discovered the project in late 2023 and started mining in 2024. That's what procrastination can do. And if you procrastinate now by not joining this project or not taking the project seriously, if you are already on it, then you might just miss out on another big opportunity to make millions from this project. I mean millions in our local currency, about thousands of dollars. So basically this is what the project is all about. Is launching is a blockchain project, is actually a testnet. So you basically have two things. Of course, we have the Dot and the Ace. They said it's the fastest launching blockchain project, of course, limited to only 2 million users. Unlike Pi, they have a controlled amount of users that they want to onboard. So basically, I will encourage you to actually join. But before going in much details of this project, actually don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and of course join our WhatsApp community. So this project was scheduled to actually launch their mainnet on the 29th of January 2025, but due to some reasons they had to postpone, and they haven't updated ever since. Like no much update, but I will encourage you to join because there is more to come. The thing is, different projects actually adopt different methods. So if some projects actually do list before they launch their mainnet, in that case ICE is one of them, and then some projects actually launch their mainnet before listing. Projects like we have projects like Pi that did the same. So it takes time for some. Yes, that's the truth. It takes time because some of these projects, they are not actually rushing their TG. So that's one thing most airdrop farmers should know. If you're actually farming this project just because of the TG, then you should actually just forget about it. But this project is going to do well. Dotchain is going to do well. I think it's going to do much better than Pi because it has fewer users and has a high utility, and it's a blockchain that actually supports some development, architectural development. So this is the last day that they actually uploaded, as you can see, the 29th. They said it's a zero gas fee network. So let me just show you guys how they actually do mine this project. If you go to Dotchain, you download the app. Of course, this way I arrange all my projects in such a way that I can easily access them. So this is Dotchain. I'll drop the link, of course, in the description if you want to join. That's if you're interested. So basically what you have to do, as you can see right here, I have about I think I have about 40,000 ace points and 2,300 dock points, which of course is very low, to be honest, because I did not pay much attention to this project. I started reading all over again about this project just recently, and basically, as you can see, mainnet will go live on the 29th of January 2025, which of course didn't happen. So to mine, you click on this place and then you select this other place down here and you start mining. You can invite friends, and basically, as you can see, I have about just 4 friends. So I'll drop the link in the description of this video, like I said. So basically, what was this? Okay, I cannot copy the referral code, so just go back and then you go to the next place, this P2E. So this P2E basically means play to earn. You can play all this game to actually earn S point. S point is part of the token of the ecosystem, basically. So it's different from the dock points, of course, and they have different economics. So let me just go back to the home page to show you guys something else. As you can see, that's my balance. That's the dock points, and the one on that is the S points, like I said. And this other one at the top right here is my mining rate, which is showing that 4. Yes, that's my mining rate. So let me just show you guys the white paper. There are some technical details there, but I don't want to bore you guys much with the technical details. Basically what they are saying is, in an ever-evolving landscape of blockchain technology, our project emerges as a pioneering force set to redefine gaming experience. As the core lies robust proof of activity consensus mechanism. So that's basically the consensus mechanism that they will be using. And remember, they said this is zero gas fee network. So of course this project will be very huge, unlike other projects that actually require you to pay a certain gas fee to make transactions. So they said we are committed. Of course, we are committed to enhancing our white paper better for clarity. And they said the last day that they actually updated was the 7th of February 2024. This is just like Pi. I can see the Pi strategy here. Of course, this project is going to do very, very well. This project is going to do very well. It might actually list stats. I'm not going to, I don't know if they are going to use a 1:1 ratio. It might probably list at 0.1, 0.1, or let's say 0.01. And I've just been mining for like a while now, just few months, and I've been able to get this point, and I'm not even serious with it. So just imagine what you can actually make out of this. So this is the economics, and as you can see, reward pool 45%, staking pool 20, community development 15, and they will be staking some amount, like I said. So this is the Dotchain supply. They say 45% at launch, about 55% will be released. That will be the circulating supply, and also they have ACE. So if you read that very well, you see about 55% of equals to 100% of the total supply. So just about a certain percentage of the total supply will be going live on the day that the mainnet will launch. So meaning that the price at the day of the mainnet launch will be very high. So I will encourage you guys to actually join the project. The link will be in the description of the video if you haven't, of course. But if you have, take it very seriously. So as you can see, this is the economics. Of course, they say place to earn rewards is about 60%, staking is 10%, and game development is 15%. So I don't want to bore you guys much with the technical details. Of course, I just want to encourage you guys to keep on going, because I know a lot of things are going wrong in the airdrop space currently, and a lot of people don't want to join new projects or old projects like this. So but I promise you, if you join, you won't regret that you did. So they said it's zero gas fee, and the last day of update is January 29th. This of course reminds me so much of Pi, the community being so quiet, or the devs being so quiet, and then all of a sudden popping out from nowhere and saying that they want to list. So Pi is doing well, of course. So this project also will do very greatly. So they postponed their mainnet launch. So they said you'll be able to view your balances in the web wallet, of course, which is just like what Pi did. So I don't know what you're waiting for. I will encourage you to up on this project if you haven't, and if you have been doing it, please take it very seriously. I don't want all those jumping around and forgetting projects to join your project. Take all your projects that you're participating in seriously. Anyway, that's just it for this video. By the way, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and of course, you can join our WhatsApp community. See you on the next one.